mixing two colors together and apply it all over the lid and also your eye bag. Then apply dark violet color inside your crease and blend it up just above your crease line. And also the outer corner of your lash line and feather it to the inner corners of your eyes. Next, use your finger, press the glitter onto the center of your crease and feather it up just above your crease line. Then apply dark brownish purple color with a liner brush along the outer half of your lower lash line and also the inner corners of your eye bag. Next, apply pinkish white color onto the center of your eye bag and also the inner corner of your lash line. Then apply peach color under the eye bag to soften the look. And use your favorite mascara onto the upper and lower lashes. Moving on to the face, apply contour color to the side of your temple and bring it down to the hollows of your cheeks and also your jawline. And don't forget the side of your nose bridge and under the tip of your nose. Then apply peach blush onto your cheekbones. Next, apply pink blush with a puff and apply it onto the center of your cheeks. To highlight your face, apply light pigment color onto the highest point of your cheeks and connect it to your brow bone. And also at the tip of your nose and your nose bridge. Moving on to the lips, apply pink lipstick onto the inner corners of your lips. And use a lip brush to feather all over your lips to make it look natural, like so. Then apply soft pink color onto the upper parts of your lip line and also the lower parts of your lip line.
Alright, done. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. And if you want to watch more of my videos, please click it right here. I'll post the link in the description box for you guys. Or if you want to follow me on social media, please go right ahead. And I guess I'll see you guys next time. Bye!